The Ansarudeen Society Ijebu Ode branch organized Ramadan lecture that drew a large and esteemed Islamic faithful. The topic of the lecture, Life After Death, was expertly explored by the guest lecturer, Sheikh Imam Habibullahi Ajani Bello, the successor of the late Muhyiddin Ajani Bello. Sheikh Imam Habibullahi Ajani Bello, which brought a depth of knowledge and insight to the discussion. Fatima Hassan was at Ansarudeen High School, Ijebu Ode, and brings their reports.
The program was graced by dignitaries from far and near, including Olori Ijebu Ode Olayinka Adetono, the senior wife of the Awujale of Ijebu Ode, and also the chairperson of the day. Other notable attendees including Oba Munirudeen Basharun, the Origbogbo of Imoru, and several other distinguished guests from Ijebu Ode and its environs. Sheikh Imam Habibullah Ajani Bello's lecture delved into the concept of life after death, exploring the Islamic perspective on the afterlife. He shed more light on the significance of living a righteous life, the importance of accountability, and the ultimate goal of attaining paradise.
We don't have the focus of what is going to happen after we are no more. So our behaviors matters. Our interactive with people matters. The way we speak with people matters. The way we relate with people matters. Because these are the things that will live after you.
The missioner of the association, Imam Hussein Kehinde Oredikpe, and other personalities expressed their perspectives about the importance of living a righteous life.
Immediately, some of the members heard that his son, the Caliph, will be coming. They feel that I cannot deliver, but Alhamdulillah today, the Caliph have delivered as much as expected.
The success of the event was a testament to the Ansarudeen Society's commitment to promoting Islamic knowledge, values, and community service. In Ijebu Ode, Fatima Hassan, NTA News.